It's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create earrings with the newest Softlex Company Design Kit? Gone. I'll leave a link down below in the description if these items are still available, as well as the tutorial playlist for all other Gone Batty inspiration. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So I'll be using the Softlex wire in onyx, and this came in the kit. I am using 12 size 11 seed beads, and these are from softluxcompany.com. Get your wire, and these beads are part of the design kit as well as the exclusive Jesse James bead mix. Two 2x2s, an earring wire, and this adorable little charm. And these are available with a couple other styles on the Softlex Company website. So I'll leave a link down below for the other styles of those. We're going to need about 4 inches of our Softlex wire. We have our 4 inches of wire. We're just going to set that aside. And you'll also need one 6mm jump ring. I'm using a gold. And we're just going to attach our jump ring to our little charm. We're just going to open side to side, slide on our charm, and we're just going to leave that off to the side. We're going to use our Softlex wire, and we're just going to slide on one 2x2. Doesn't matter which way you slide it on or which side. The opposite side, we're just going to pass back through. This is going to create a little circle. We want to make sure that our circle is in the center or as close to the center as it can be. And then we want to make sure that our loop is fairly the same size to our other earring. We don't want to make it too large because this is where we're going to attach our charm. So when we're happy with our loop, we're just going to take our pliers and give it a little smash. It's up to you if you want to round the 2x2. It just gives it a more professional finish, or just flatten it. So once you have your 2x2 on there, we're going to grab our jump ring that we just opened with our charm and slide on the charm. And give it a close. And you should hear a little click when your jump ring is closed. And if you don't want to make these for an earring, or maybe it's too long, you can always do the same technique for a pendant. So we have the base of our necklace and the bottom part. We're going to slide on 2 seed beads on each side of the wire. What I love about the Softlex wire is it acts as a needle, so it helps pick up your little seed beads. And you can also do this project, just change out your charms. You can do one for the holidays, or you could put like a little flower or a tassel. Just same technique, you're just changing out the charms and beads. So now we're going to add on one of the little 4mm metallics, super sparkly. And then we're going to pick up one more seed bead, and this is just going to act as spacing, but also with the gold seed bead, it's going to highlight the moon. And then we're going to add on our swirl beads, one more gold seed bead, more of our little metallic beads. You can tell the earring isn't quite cooperating with us with the design, but when we do the final step before we attach the earring binding, it will straighten out to the final design. So we have our beads, and then we're just going to add on 2 more seed beads on each side. So we have our earring. Now we're going to slide on the last 2x2, and it doesn't matter which side of Softlex you slide it onto. And we're going to do a crisscross. So wherever your 2x2 is on the opposite side, you'll crisscross. And it's going to create a little X, and then you're going to pull. And you can see that it's straightening out. And if it's a little crooked, just kind of move it and it should straighten out for you. Now it doesn't matter which side of Softlex wire you use. You're going to pick a side and then loop it back through the 2x2. Now with the Softlex 2x2s, they will hold 3 pieces of Softlex wire in medium. So we have our little loop, but we also have some spacing, so we just have to do some adjustments. Our loop, we want to make sure that our loop is fairly the same size, so we will have matching earrings. Pliers and give it a smash. And another reason why I don't round it on this style is just because the placement of the beads and the seed beads are so small. I don't want to damage any of my beads. So now we're just going to trim off extra soft flex. And a couple things with this is make sure that you don't trim the little loop and save your soft flex wire. You can always use it for a future project. So we have our adorable little moonlight bat earring. We're just going to take our ear wire, slide on our earring, and give it a close. Our adorable little earrings. They're super lightweight, but they're full of sparkle and they're really a statement earring. So they'll be super comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as Halloween inspiration tutorial playlist. Have a wonderful day.